This is your guide to knowing what's going on with TikTok Shop in 2025 and what's expected to happen in 2026. So for background, I work at a trend finding company and I analyzed hundreds upon hundreds of trending products that went viral this year to understand what they all had in common. The goal here really is to help you identify winning products to sell so that you can increase your profit on TikTok Shop. This is going to be especially useful for e-com brands, Shopify brands, TikTok influencers, or really anybody who's just interested in product trends. No more preamble, let's get right into the good stuff. The first category we're covering here is tech and home gadgets. TikTok loves clever gadgets that make your life easier. They're both functional and satisfying to watch. That's the key combination. Take the Ninja Blast cordless blender. TikTok Shop orders jumped 1,800% in early 2025. Why? Because watching someone make the perfect smoothie in 30 seconds while walking their dog is weirdly mesmerizing. It's portable entertainment and it happens to make breakfast. Steam mops saw an even crazier 5,800% spike, which is what happens when a product demo is really satisfying and super obvious. Room transformation gear has also been dominating feeds. Sunset projector lamps and ambient LEDs fuel this room makeover content because one cut changes the entire vibe of a space. Renters went crazy for peel and stick 3D wall panels. There's no tools required, it's got a massive visual impact. It's Decor, designed to perform in 15-second clips. These are winning because they're demo first and they're renter friendly. If your product creates an instant before and after moment, it earns that attention that somebody gets when you stop scrolling. If you want more trending homeware or tech gadgets, drop me a comment below with that niche and I'll give you more products within that niche totally free. Category number 2 is going to be pet and novelty products. Pet gadgets became the new ASMR. Pet nail grinder toys sound boring until you actually see them in action. Dogs think that they're playing, and owners get perfectly trimmed nails. The videos are satisfying on multiple levels. We've got obviously the cute dog, a problem solved, this weirdly therapeutic grinding sound. It's a win-win for everybody involved, which is another thing to look for when you're seeing these products in your feed. Pet hair remover rollers became TikTok sensations thanks to their see it work demos. You swipe the roller over what looks like a clean couch, suddenly you got this mountain of hidden fur. Again, that shocking before and after. It's deeply satisfying and it's perfect for TikTok's short, repeatable clips. Here's where it gets weird. You got Dubai chocolate, angel hair candy that went viral globally. They weren't available in most countries, but because TikTokers were so obsessed with the taste testing, people started importing them just to make reaction videos. And that scarcity created demand. Then, of course, there's Labubu, a collectible vinyl toy that pulled 1.1 billion views and an 819% jump in orders. Literally no utility, just cuteness turned status symbol by the algorithm. They literally minted a $1 billion toy trend out of thin air. So yes, having a product that is functional, that accomplishes something is important, but what's even more important is this before and after viral demo or something that is very eye-catching, colorful, and fun. There's a lot of products in this category, so if you want to see more, drop me a comment below. Now our next category is a huge one, beauty and skincare products. What's working right now to sell these products is visible transformations. Again, before and afters. That is the thesis of this whole video. Take peel-off lip stains. They don't just deliver this long-lasting color. The peel itself is the content. You watch that big reveal and the payoff happens instantly. It's satisfying, it's fun, and it's super perfectly designed for a looped clip. Also, take pimple patches. They're not glamorous, but they sell because they make progress visible. You stick one on, you show the after, and people watch the healing arc like a mini drama. Then there's K-beauty staples like snail mucin. It fits that glass skin aesthetic, and TikTok loves routines that show texture changing on camera. So these products really go beyond utility. They create stories that people want to document. The beauty category thrives because it combines function with filmability. If your product can make skin clearer, brighter, the texture smoother, TikTok will turn it into entertainment. The beauty products that are actually working are the ones that have science backing them. If you find an intersection where a beauty product has natural ingredients or an ancient tradition associated with it, and there are recent scientific studies that prove that it actually works, already you've got the basis for a wonderful product that will get sales. Add to that a before and after transformation to show what the effects actually look like, you've got a winning product. If you want more specific strategies or specific beauty products that you can sell, comment below. So, here is what all of these products have in common. Pay attention, because this is what you're going to use to identify winning products for this year, for Q4, but also for 2026. First, they are all ridiculously visual. They don't just look good. They create that immediate stop scrolling moment. a lip tint that peels off to reveal the perfect color, a sunset lamp that transforms a boring room in seconds, a pet grooming tool that sweeps over your couch and instantly collects mountains of fur. If it doesn't make you go, whoa, in the first couple seconds, it's probably not going to go viral. The second thing they have in common is they fit into very specific aesthetics. And TikTok is obsessed with trending aesthetics. Just think about the ones that you've seen on TikTok in the past year. Clean girl routines, cozy vibes rooms, ballet core outfits. LED strips aren't just lights, they're room goals. Ballet flats, they're not just shoes, they're essential to the ballet core look. The product becomes a prop in someone's story. So don't just ignore these blank core or whatever hashtag aesthetic trends. Really look into them, because under the surface is where you're going to find products that are making millions of dollars. The third commonality I want to discuss here is that they're all super satisfying and entertaining to use. The best viral products give you this little dopamine hit just from watching the video. So like magnetic charging cables that snap into place, or cleaning slime that pulls dirt from impossible places. If using your product doesn't feel good, it's not going to perform on TikTok. So let's say that you choose the pet hair remover glove. You're not only going to show how well it removes hair, you also want to show the person who's using it their reaction to using it. The emotions on somebody's face, that's also what's doing the equal amount of work in selling the product. People buy based on emotion, especially when there's impulse purchases like these. You have to show emotion in your videos, or you have to find influencers, content creators who can show their emotion on camera and make it believable. The thing that people always struggle with is giving their reactions on camera because it feels disingenuous. And this is a skill. The more that you practice giving genuine looking reactions to your products, the easier it becomes and the more engaging your content becomes. So always remember, emotion sells. Use that to your advantage. So here's what smart sellers on TikTok are doing right now, and here's what you can do to stay ahead in 2026. First, make sure you're chasing patterns, not products. The rookie mistake is hunting for the next ninja blast. Pros don't do that. They zoom out and they ask, what other portable appliances create satisfying 30-second demos? Or what other renter-friendly decor delivers instant before and after moments? Trends move fast, but the patterns, the mechanics, those repeat. Demo-first gadgets, aesthetic-friendly decor, oddly satisfying beauty products. Master these patterns and you will not need luck. You won't need to guess what's going to happen next on TikTok. You will have a system for finding winners. Second, design for the algorithm. TikTok's not just a shopping mall, it's an entertainment feed first. So the best products don't just solve problems, they create content people actually want to film. So this is what smart sellers are actually asking. Would someone post this in a get ready with me, a room tour, or a taste test? If yes, the algorithm will do the rest. If not, they're going to keep looking. That mindset shift, designing for utility and filmability, separates winners from one-hit wonders. Third, you want to make sure that you're building an ecosystem, not just a single product. What that basically means is that you're looking for multiple products that you can bundle or sell together to increase your average order value. So one viral LED strip can become a room transformation kit. One grooming tool evolves into a complete pet care line. The logic is really simple. TikTok users don't just buy once. If you solve a whole category of problems, you're turning virality into repeat purchases and lifetime value. 4, and this is a trend that again has been going on for a long time, leverage your live shopping. Live shopping is QVC for Gen Z and it's absolutely exploding. Smart brands, they run daily TikTok lives where they host demos of products, they answer questions in real time, and they drop flash discounts. That interactivity drives urgency and FOMO. If your product demos well, then live shopping can turn into curiosity and conversions immediately. People aren't just watching, they're buying on the spot. 5, partner with micro-influencers. In 2025, armies of these micro-creators actually move the needle. Dozens of small creators with authentic followings outsell one polished influencer. And it's because their reviews feel like real recommendations. It's the exact style that TikTok audiences trust. 6, plan for scale before you need it. Virality is a blessing and a curse. If your supply chain collapses, your big moment dies overnight. TikTok buyers expect prime speed delivery. That means sellers need fulfillment that's flexible, cross-border shipping that's seamless, and they need data in real time. If you're relying on a really slow and rigid backend, and it takes forever for somebody to receive the product they ordered, you're gonna miss the window. 7, be sure to engineer social proof loops. You want your customers to make the content that you can then use to sell the product. People make more content and it goes around and around. So how do you do this? Encourage unboxing videos, repost UGC, run hashtag challenges. Every stitch, duet, or honest review becomes free marketing. TikTok's algorithm loves products that show up across multiple creators' feeds. So if hundreds of people are testing and buying, that shows TikTok that people want this product, they can push it more. All in all, you want to make sure that your products are satisfying to watch, satisfying to use, create a very visual before and after transformation, and they surprise people. If you take into account everything that I've laid out in this video, I guarantee you will become a master at finding trending products before they really blow up. So go back to TikTok, to Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Keep these things in mind as you're watching and interact with product-focused videos. Because once you start doing that, TikTok will give you more of them. Save the ones that you like, save the ones that intrigue you. Look at them through this lens, and I guarantee you will become a product TikTok marketing champion. Now that's all for right now. We have a lot more of these to go through. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Always means the world to me. Let me know in the comments if you want any particular trending products in a specific niche. I'd be happy to share more with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.